Hi friends, welcome back to channel Sai. In this, we're going to talk about the Asphalt 9 gameplay in the Realme GT Neo 2. Yes friends, right now in the Realme GT Neo 2, it's not possible for us to download the Asphalt 9 game. I'm getting plenty of comments regarding this particular topic. So can you please check in my device whether I was able to get any kind of Asphalt 9 game support in the Play Store or not. I'd like to show you exactly what is happening at this moment in the Realme GT Neo 2. As you can see friends, exactly these are the comments which I'm getting at this moment, that can you please check Asphalt 9 game is showing in the Play Store or not in the Realme GT Neo 2 device. And some of the users, they showing the message that your device isn't compatible with this version. As you can see, these are the message they're getting, and few of the people, they want to know how to download the Asphalt 9 as well. But in this video, let me show you friends what is happening at this moment. So this is my Realme GT Neo 2. Okay, this is the exact phone which I'm going to demonstrate, and right now let me show you in the Play Store what is happening. So as soon as you start typing the Asphalt 9 game, it doesn't show up. Yes, so I'm not sure why it's kind of so weird to see this popular game Asphalt 9 game is not showing in this Play Store at all. I'm not sure why it's like that friends. So this is another problem which I'm facing, and as you can clearly see friends, it's not showing at all. So not only you, even I am facing the same problem as well, even in the Realme GT Neo 2. Let me know in the comment section below friends, what are your thoughts about this one. So are you able to download this Asphalt 9 game in your Realme GT Neo 2 or not? So I just want to see how many users are actually facing this kind of issue. Is it with a few users or is it with all of them? Just want to know the confirmation. And one more quick note, this is not the new thing, this kind of incompatibility. For example, let me show you, this is the Adobe Premiere Rush application. This Adobe Premiere Rush application is available in most of the smartphones, but some weird reason it's not available in the OnePlus Nord 2. In the OnePlus Nord 2, I was unable to get that application shown in the Play Store. As you can see, Adobe Premiere Rush, it's not showing in the Play Store at all. No, when you type the Adobe Rush. So sometimes these are the games and applications, they don't show in the Play Store for some models, but this so weird for this kind of popular game, it's not showing in the Realme GT Neo 2 device. So that's it friends, thank you for watching this video and stay tuned for more updates. And in case if you have any other questions on this particular topic, let me know in the comment section below. And meanwhile, signing off, thank you for watching. Bye.